Meditate, meditate, meditate. Meditation is just about being in silence. Experiencing silence is meditation. Experiencing the peace through silence is meditation. And silence, is the biggest gift actually. Sometimes when I close my eyes, I just ask myself how the universe must be, so silent it must be there. Of course, there are some little explosions here and there, but otherwise it's so silent, right? And silence is a gift that we can give to ourselves, because when this gift that we give to ourselves can be, it becomes a practice. The meditation, when it becomes a practice, we are completely detached from whatever is happening around us. We just kind of take our distance from all the problems. It's like when I hold on to, for example, I'm holding on to something, okay, and it hurts me. Most probably it's hurting me. So, and I'm living with that hurt. But when I'm leaving it, I'm free. And this is what happens. We are holding on to all those thoughts, all those problems. So I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to blah, 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 blah. Yeah, all this goes on. The moment you sit in meditation, you just sit in your silence. And there what are you doing? Actually, you are releasing. You're releasing these thoughts. You're releasing all those worries. We will handle that later on. But right now, you need to just give yourself a break. And that break is silence. Deep silence. And what does that do? That deep silence will make you peaceful inside. It will start regenerating all your organs, because when we sit in the quietude, when we sit in the calm and peace, what do is actually we gift our body with some time to just rest and resource itself. And that, accompanied by deep breathing, is oxygenating each organ. So meditate. You can also join some groups. You can also listen to some peaceful music, because it's also a way of meditating. Go for walks. That is also a way of meditating. Something that takes you away from the clutter. Something that cleans your mind, body and soul just by being in silence. Be still and listen to the sound of silence. What does it have to say to you? Just be still. You have lots to do and you have done a lot. Now, as we are approaching to the year end, give this gift to yourself. What do you want as a gift for the year end? Meditation. Meditation, why? Because I need to nourish my mind, body and soul. So thank you for listening. Please do like, share and comment and meditate. Not just this week, but every day. This is what is coming from above for me to share it with you. So I have shared it with you. And I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. And yes, give this gift of silence to yourself, this peace to yourself. You so need it at this point of time. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.